What is your last name? Did you used to teach here? Were you a student here? I know you're in the room here with us. I got a thing for you to try. Can you clap your hands for us? Like, clap it, your hands together, like this. I want to ask you again. What is your first name? Are you James? Are you John? So it's James, right? Write that up to red if it's James. Now your name ain't Kevin, is it? Or are you James? Light up to red. You're James. Come on. I know you can do this, buddy. So, where are you at? Are you upstairs? Are you down here with us? Are you sitting beside BJ down there in the orange?
I stand by me. And at me.
Are you sitting by Anthony? In the blue shirt right there? Are you sitting by me? Are you beside Scott? Okay, we'll do this one more time. Are you beside Lindsay? Are you beside Sarah? Or are you beside Scott? Sarah? Who are you beside now? Sarah?